you have two drones. You have one that's flying, let's say 1 or 2 kilometers away from a ground station. And then you have an expeditionary drone with some sort of payload that's going a significantly longer distance. And that one, the one going a significantly longer distance is the one that's getting, highly jammed, is the one that's, the one that's being attacked. And so we need to be able to communicate with that to view a video feed to see what it's doing. And then on the ground side, there is a number of users and soldiers who want to be able to see that video feed and be able to coordinate on a mission as that expeditionary drone is finding a target. So this is, as I was mentioning, it combines a lot of the challenges where you need to have a jam-proof link that as it's going out, you also need to be able to mesh a whole bunch of users together and a layer on top of that, all of the safety where many of these people want to have no RF signature. Like the moment they have an RF signature, they become a target themselves. So how do you then make sure that these folks are able to listen and view the video feed while the entire network is also jumping around, avoiding jamming attacks? So that's an example of a request that we got from multiple people. We started getting them in piecemeal ways, but then we started seeing, hey, here's an entire mission that we need to design around. And many of the features that we've pushed out since then have been in support of that. We've pushed out a number of new iterations on our anti-jamming algorithm. We call it Sense. So it's moving faster and faster and jumping between frequency bands a lot faster. Two, we're pushing out optimizations on our mesh and how anti-jamming plus mesh work together. We're very soon to release some new firmware that has, listen only modes and silent modes. And so, yeah, these are all pieces where we start giving, we think of things as in Lego blocks, like we build in a very modular fashion. And so we have this broader mission and we break down the problem and try and spread out solutions that then work in one, hopefully in a very nice symphony, kind of giving a very, very easy experience that works for the end user.